Hey, what's up guys, this is Akshay and today we have with us the Maggi RIO attachment that makes any mixer a food processor. Now I got it from Amazon for $24.95, so let's quickly unbox this beast. And it basically does everything. So it does kneading, it does chopping, it does slicing with your existing mixer. So let's find out whether it's worth it or it's a trash. So this is the box it comes in. This is the Amazon box, and I'm glad that Amazon came with their good packing back again, because their packing was really trouble recent days, so it's really good. Let's quickly unbox this beast, cutting the red seal. It was not the smoothest packing I ever done. It was a terrible one, by the way. So this is the bull. The box has another box under it. It says RIO, all-in-one 3G, pretty good packing. We'll keep this aside for time being. So pretty nice packing. It says RIO 3G all-in-one food machine. So its attachment has vegetable topper, vegetable slicer, Atta duff maker, instant whipper. So let's quickly unbox this one. So basically, food processor starts with around 4,500. If you go and buy a food processor plus mixer, it will minimum cost you around 5,500. Last year, for a good brand like for Bajaj and Philips, it was 5,500, but now it is 6,000 to 7,000. So pricing for food processors are really going up. It's something that every kitchen should have. It's gaining popularity. So this thing is a really miracle. It will make your existing mixer food processor. And why you would do this, if you have a premium mixer, then it's really useful. You also get a ring here and a manual how to use it, which we definitely need to refer. So we'll keep this time being. So basically, if you have a premium mixer like the Philips or Atomberg, this is really useful. They also have attachments for those. So they have attachments for Philips mixer. They have attachments for Atomberg. So get those, not this. This is a general mixer. Now I have a mixer brand, I don't really remember, but it has the same 4 strands hook, or I don't know what you call this, but so basically I saw that and I bought it. So if you have similar one, definitely it will work. But if you have a premium mixer, definitely look forward for their name. You will find the attachment. So this is the main attachment, which is a duff maker, this is the slicer and everything. You had the stop, so that's the lid. You also have this for juicer, and you have a lot of attachments here. So this is all the blades that you need, which I think we need to separately unbox this one, but there you have it. You have this blade, you have this blade, and you have this blade. And blue color, it's really nice. Like the colors, it's a good material. Now I was thinking to buy the Philips food processor, but there was a lot of bad reviews of, you know, this breaking up, and then this cost 700. So if the attachment cost 700, this whole thing's got 2,500. That's a good deal, I would say. Like, though it's so expensive, but still. Now this is, I think, the Whooper blade. Let's try to unbox this one. Now I'm sorry, like I'm a tech guy, but I don't really understand name of these things. I'm not a kitchen guy, by the way. So yeah, this is the blade. This is the slicer blade box. There's another box here. Now which blade is this? Okay, so this is, I think, the mixer blade. I'm not sure about that. I'll confirm with my mom though. And I think this is for juicer, and it also has other blades. So this is for a duff maker, so Atta maker. I think this is for juicer, and this is, I think this is the top for the slicer. So pretty good. Well, we definitely refer a manual, and there's nothing inside the box, so we'll set this up. We'll take help from my mom, and we'll see if it's worth it. Let's try the mixer. So moment of truth, this is the mixer. Now don't get me wrong, this is not a food processor. It was a food processor, it was my bua's mixer. So the food processor was not working, so she gave it to us so that we repaired it. And then this is now direct mixer. So this is not working, and this is just a full horsepower mixer, you call it. So it has the capability of handling the dough. So I think I have more chances of this to be working because the motor is capable of handling a food processor. So if you have a weaker lower watt mixer, then it might be a problem. If you have a higher watt mixer, there's more chances that this is gonna work for you. So for me, it should be working. I'm not sure. I need to remove this up. We'll see. But let's find out if this works. So this is the main start of the show. Again, as I said, the 4 strands, it should match here. If it matches, then this one is for you. If not, look for a model, Philips, Attenborough. If they have attachments for everyone. So let's try this up. Okay. So I think we need to fit this first. So we need to lock this up, I guess. It's not locking. Oh, it worked. So it's just locked in the place. Now we'll just lock this up. Okay. This is working as well. We'll use one of the blades, probably this one. I'm not sure how this works, but this should be working. No, it's not. Oh, maybe we need to use this one, I guess. I definitely need to refer the manual. So it says this goes here, then this. Okay, so we have to remove this. So once you have this in place, you attach this to here. So make sure this is locked in. This is locked in. This is also locked in. And now this should work. Let's see if this works. Mixer is on. Okay, it's working. So we'll ask my mom to test this out. It's working as of now. So she will see maybe kneading an atta or slicing a potato. Let's find out. Overall impressions, really good. So mom is now kneading atta, so let's see how it goes.
It's done.
So as you can see, the kneading is properly done. So this is how the product is. I would say pretty reasonable for what it does. I highly recommend it. Links will be in the video description. Thank you for watching. We'll catch you in the next video. Bye bye now.